If you don't understand the rules of money, you will always work for those who do. While some accumulate wealth, others struggle financially because they ignore the basic principles that the rich never overlook. Money doesn't disappear. It just changes hands. The difference between those who thrive and those who are constantly struggling isn't luck. It's how they handle their finances. People who know what they're doing avoid mistakes, grow their wealth, and build a solid future. Those who ignore the rules stay trapped in debt, wasteful spending, and poor decisions. This video reveals the 15 money rules that the rich follow, and that can completely change your financial game. Each rule is a step toward breaking the cycle of struggle and moving toward financial freedom. Watch until the end, understand each one, and start applying them now. Rule 1. Create a financial plan and follow it with discipline. Imagine building a house without a blueprint. That's what life is like without a financial plan. You need a clear roadmap to navigate the twists and turns of financial challenges. Start by setting specific, realistic goals that guide your efforts and keep you focused. Whether it's saving for a rainy day or investing in your future, these targets are your stepping stones to financial freedom. Now, discipline is your best ally. It's the fuel that powers your journey from aspiration to achievement. Stick to your plan, even when distractions and temptations try to steer you off course. Consistency, not perfection, is the key to transforming your financial dreams into reality. Take immediate action. Write down your financial goals today. Break them into manageable steps and commit to them. Each small victory builds momentum, creating a cycle of success that propels you forward. Your future self will thank you for the discipline and determination you invest right now. Rule 2. Build sources of passive income. Your money should be working for you, even when you're not working. By investing in assets that generate recurring income, you create financial streams that flow whether you're asleep, on vacation, or pursuing your passions. This isn't just about saving, it's about multiplying what you have. Think of it as planting seeds that will eventually grow into a forest, providing shade and sustenance for years to come. Start small, but start today. Consider options like dividend stocks, real estate, or peer-to-peer lending. The key is to put your money into vehicles that generate passive returns. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building a financial ecosystem that thrives without constant oversight. Every dollar you invest wisely is a step toward financial independence. Take control of your financial future now. The sooner you begin, the sooner you can enjoy the fruits of your labor. Investing in income-generating assets is more than a strategy. It's a commitment to your long-term success. Rule 3. Turn small amounts into great fortunes. Turn a small habit into a financial powerhouse by consistently investing, even if it's just a few dollars at a time. The magic of regular investments lies in their ability to grow exponentially over time. This isn't about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about taking action now. Start with what you have, no matter how small, and watch it transform into something significant. Every dollar you invest today is a seed planted for tomorrow's abundance. The compound effect is your ally, turning modest contributions into substantial wealth. Consistency is your best friend here. Make it a non-negotiable habit, like brushing your teeth or having your morning coffee. The key is not the amount, but the momentum you build. Grab your phone, open a savings app, and set up automatic transfers. It's that simple. Start today, not tomorrow. Small actions carried out persistently will pave the way to your financial freedom. Rule 4. Avoid living on the edge of your budget. Living paycheck to paycheck is a trap that keeps you from building true wealth. The moment you allow yourself to exist on the financial edge is the moment you limit your potential for growth and security. It's time to break free from that cycle. Start viewing your finances as a tool for opportunity, not just survival. Create a safety net by setting aside a portion of your income each month, even if it's small. Consistency is key. This is not about depriving yourself. It's about investing in your future. Think of it as planting seeds for tomorrow's harvest. Every little bit you save today is a step towards financial stability and peace of mind. Shift your mindset from immediate gratification to long-term gain. Prioritize creating that financial buffer and watch how it opens doors you never thought possible. It's not just about having money in the bank, but about building a foundation for a life where you control your destiny, not your bills. Rule 5. Distribute your investments wisely. Diversification isn't just a buzzword, it's a strategy that can redefine your financial future. Picture this. Every investment realm you enter is like a wave in the ocean. Some waves soar, others crash. And that's the nature of the market's ebb and flow. By intelligently distributing your investments, you're not just riding one wave, you're harnessing the entire ocean's rhythm. This dynamic approach minimizes risks and offers a smoother, more stable financial journey. Embrace this mindset and start by evaluating your current portfolio. Are you putting all your eggs in one basket? Spread them wisely across various asset classes. Stocks, bonds, real estate, and even emerging markets. Each has its cycle, its highs and lows, and together, they balance your financial ship. This isn't just about avoiding pitfalls. It's about positioning yourself for sustainable growth. Begin today. Review your investments and make intentional choices that align with this strategy. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. By taking these steps, you're not only protecting your financial future, but also empowering yourself to seize opportunities with confidence and clarity. Rule 6. Avoid falling for easy money promises. Chasing the allure of quick money is like sprinting toward a mirage. It never leads where you hope. The promise of fast cash is often wrapped in schemes that shine brightly but lack substance. Real financial success is not a sprint, but a marathon. It demands patience, discipline, and consistent effort over time. When you focus on building a solid foundation, you create lasting wealth rather than fleeting gains. Dive into the habit of questioning every financial opportunity that lands at your feet. Not everything that glitters offers gold. Evaluate with a critical eye, understand the risks, and make decisions based on logic, not emotion. The power lies in your ability to resist the temptation of shortcuts and stay committed to a strategy that prioritizes long-term growth. Start now by setting clear financial goals. Break them into achievable steps and celebrate each milestone. Embrace the journey, knowing that steady progress is your ally. Rule 7. Avoid relying on loans in emergencies. Financial freedom isn't about having endless reserves of money, but having a plan that shields you in times of need. When unexpected situations arise, many find themselves trapped in a cycle of expensive loans and credit. This isn't just about financial strain. It's about losing control over your life. Building a solid emergency fund is your ticket to maintaining that control. It's the barrier between you and unnecessary debt. Start small. Contribute a little from each paycheck to a dedicated fund. Before you know it, you'll have a safety net that empowers rather than enslaves. This isn't just about saving money. It's about instilling confidence and peace of mind. The real victory lies in knowing that when life throws a curveball, you're prepared. Embrace the discipline to save regularly. This single habit can transform your financial landscape, enabling you to navigate life's uncertainties with resilience and assurance. Begin today, because every cent counts toward your freedom. Rule 8. Ensure your stability without relying on others. Freedom is built, not given. To ensure a stable future, you can't rely solely on public systems or others. The reality is, you are the architect of your financial destiny. Start today by setting aside a small portion of your income, no matter how modest. This simple habit will grow into a safety net over time. Think of income as a river, not a pond. Multiple streams create a flow that sustains and nourishes. Explore side hustles, invest in stocks, or develop skills that can turn into passive income. Each effort contributes to a more secure tomorrow, free from the uncertainty of a single source. Take control with deliberate actions. Open an investment account. Learn the basics of financial planning, and commit to regular contributions. The goal isn't just to avoid financial struggle, but to live with peace of mind, knowing that your future is in your hands. Empower yourself today for a worry-free tomorrow. Rule 9. Prioritize investments, then expenses. Investing first is your secret weapon in the battle against financial stress. It's about flipping the script on how we usually handle money. Instead of letting bills and expenses dictate what's left for your future, make investing your top priority. By doing this, you safeguard a portion of your income for growth, ensuring your hard-earned money doesn't slip through your fingers on unnecessary indulgences. Start small and be consistent. It's not about having a massive amount to invest right away. Set aside a manageable percentage of your earnings every time you get paid. This simple habit rewires your mindset and aligns your actions with long-term goals, building a financial cushion that grows over time. The key is to treat it like a non-negotiable expense, just like rent or utilities. Adopting this approach shifts your focus from short-term satisfaction to enduring success. It empowers you to take control of your financial journey, ensuring that you're not just surviving, but thriving. Rule 10. Each day lost is money wasted. Time isn't just ticking. It's slipping through your fingers, and with every tick, potential wealth fades away. The earlier you harness the power of compound interest, the more significant your financial growth will be. It's not about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about making the moment perfect by starting now. Consider each day a fresh opportunity to put your money to work and let it grow for you. The disciplined investor knows that time is their greatest ally. Every dollar invested today is a seed planted for tomorrow. The longer you let it grow, the more bountiful the harvest. Don't fall into the trap of thinking that small amounts won't make a difference. Consistency is key, and time will amplify your efforts in ways you can't yet imagine. Take action today. Set up a simple investment account, automate a small monthly contribution, and watch as those small steps turn into giant leaps over time. Harness the power of compound growth and let time work its magic. Rule 11. Become the manager of your own money. Taking control of your finances is like steering a ship. No one knows your destination better than you. It's crucial to understand that every dollar you earn is a tool for your future. The moment you decide to manage your own money is the moment you start shaping your destiny. Dive into learning about budgeting, saving, and investing. These are not just skills. They are lifelines that prevent you from drifting aimlessly in a sea of financial uncertainty. Knowledge is power, and in the realm of personal finance, it's your greatest ally. Start small, but start today. Read a book, watch a video, or take a course. Each step you take in educating yourself compounds over time, reducing mistakes and protecting you from potential losses. Remember, no one will care more about your money than you do. Embrace the mindset of being your own financial manager. Begin by tracking your expenses and setting clear, achievable goals. This isn't just a task, it's a commitment to yourself. By taking these actions, you create a roadmap that not only guides you through tough times, but also leads to a future where financial worries don't stand in your way. Rule 12. Discover new ways to make money. Opportunities to earn are everywhere, waiting for us to seize them. Relying solely on a single paycheck can feel like walking a tightrope without a safety net. By exploring additional income streams, we lay down a foundation of security that cushions us against the unexpected. It's not just about earning extra. It's about building resilience and opening doors to possibilities we never knew existed. One practical step is to evaluate skills or hobbies you already have. Perhaps there's something you're passionate about that others would pay for. Maybe it's freelance work, selling handmade crafts, or even teaching a skill online. The idea is to start small, test the waters, and gradually expand. Each step you take adds a layer of stability and growth to your financial life. Start right now. Write down 3 skills or interests you have and brainstorm how they could generate income. Take the first step today and build a future where financial worries are a thing of the past. Rule 13. Do not increase your standard of living without a strategy. Elevating your lifestyle without a plan sets you up for financial turmoil. It's not about how much you earn, but how wisely you allocate those earnings. When your income grows, the temptation to splurge is real. But falling into the trap of lifestyle inflation halts your journey to financial freedom. The key is to resist the urge to immediately upgrade your life with every raise or bonus. Instead, channel those extra funds into building your financial security. Start by setting clear financial goals and sticking to a budget that prioritizes savings and investments. This disciplined approach not only safeguards your future, but also provides the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're prepared for any financial hiccup. Reclaim control by making conscious decisions about where your money goes. Delay gratification, invest in your future, and watch your wealth grow. Break the cycle, take action now, and set yourself on a path where financial struggles are a thing of the past. Rule of 14. Record everything you earn and spend. Tracking every dollar that enters and exits your life is a game changer. This small yet powerful habit shines a light on the patterns and behaviors that silently shape your financial reality. By simply recording your income and expenses, you gain the clarity needed to steer your financial journey in the right direction. It's like holding up a mirror to your financial habits and realizing where your money truly goes. Once you see where you're bleeding cash, you have the power to change your story. That daily coffee shop visit? It could be the drain on your savings. Adjusting these patterns is the first step toward financial control. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about making informed choices that align with your goals. Start today. Grab a notebook or open a digital app and jot down every cent. Make it a ritual. This simple act of awareness can transform your financial landscape, one entry at a time. Rule of 15. Stop funding your future to bankroll the present. Stop sacrificing your future for momentary pleasure. Every dollar spent on consumer debt is a chain holding you back from true financial freedom. The allure of financing that shiny new gadget or taking on a loan for a vacation fades quickly, leaving you with burdensome payments and dwindling savings. It's time to shift your mindset and prioritize long-term security over short-term gratification. Start today by identifying unnecessary expenses and eliminate them with ruthless determination. Redirect those funds towards building a safety net and investing in your future self. This isn't just about cutting costs, it's about empowering yourself to make choices that will lead to a prosperous life. Take control of your spending habits because every small decision counts and compounds over time. Embrace this opportunity to redefine your financial path. By avoiding unnecessary financing, you are not just saving money. You are investing in your future peace of mind. Prioritize what's truly important and protect your future self from financial strain. Listen up, this is your wake-up call. If you're serious about breaking free from the shackles of financial stress, it's time to act. Hit that subscribe button right now. Don't just sit there. Smash that like button and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Comment below with one expense you're cutting today to invest in your future. Let's create a community that's all about action, not excuses. Take charge, make a move, and let's go. And hey, those videos popping up on your screen? They're not just suggestions. They're your roadmap to leveling up. If they haven't appeared yet, stay sharp. The moment they do, dive right in. These aren't just videos. They're tools to push your growth to the next level. You want change? You want to elevate your life? Those are the videos you need to watch. Don't just think about it.